GE refrigerator model GTS18CTHBB error codes. GE 28-inch freestanding top freezer refrigerator with 15.5 cubic feet total capacity, 2 glass shelves, 4.02 cubic feet freezer capacity, right hinge with reversible doors, crisper drawer, frost-free defrost, adjustable wire shelves in black. Error codes. Code FF. Problem. Check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code. Phosphorus monofluoride. Problem. The power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code. C. Problem. Check the ice maker for proper operation. Code. D. Problem. The defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code. CC. Problem. Check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.